नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Monica Trivedi, and today's topic is the extraction or separation of the actinides. So the isotopes of the NP, PU and AM elements are very much known yet, but the fewer element they known like NP 2372 and PU 239. Okay, but in the uranium fuel, the element of the nuclear reactor from which the uh, plutonium is isolated on a kilogram scale. So NP237 is also found in almost in a primary and the conversion method of by the neutron radiations. So, M produced from the intense neutron radiation for the pure plutonium, and the main problem is involved to extract these elements include the recovery of the expensive stationary material and the removal of the hazardous fission product that are formed stimulatively in the amount of the comparable to the amount of the synthetic element themselves. So the first method for the separation is the method based on the stability of the oxide of the states. You can see here the stability of the major ion of the elements is like this. By choosing a suitable oxidation or the reducting agent, it is possible to obtain the solution containing the element in the different oxidation state. The elements can then be separated by the participation of the solvent extraction method. For example, Pu can be oxidized to the PuO2 plus, whereas the Mn remains Mn plus 3. Thus, the PO2 plus can be easily removed from the solvent extraction or M plus 3 by the precipitation method. So, this method, the another method is extraction by using the organic reagent. It is known that the MO2 plus ion can be extracted from the nitrate solution into the organic solvent. The Mn plus 4 ion can be extracted into the tributyl phosphate in a kerosene from the 6-MHNO3 solution. Similarly, M plus 3 ion can be separated from the 10 to 16 HNO3. Thus, the actinide close to each other can be separated by changing the conditions of a reagent. Next is a method based on the precipitation. The actinide ion in metal plus 3 or a plus 4 state only give the insoluble fluorides or phosphates in acid solution. In the higher oxidation state, these elements are either soluble or can be prevented to get the precipitation by complex formation with the sulfate or other ions. Next method is a method based on an ion exchange method. This method has been found suitable for the small amount of the material. In this method, both the cation and anions exchange can be used to separate to the actinides ion. First, in this process, the isobutyl methyl ketone method. This is the reaction for the following separation. And next is the tributyl phosphate method. This method is depend on the difference in the extraction coefficient from 6NHNO3 into 30% tributyl phosphate or kerosenes. So this is the stability of the order of the extraction of actinides and actinides. You can see here the also the extraction order of the actinides. The next method is on the lanthanum fluoride cycle. This method is was developed from the isolation of the NP, but has been found to be great utility in the separation of the PU and U. And the scheme used for the separation it can show here. So this is the step-by-step process, and from applying this process and repeat the cycle, and you can get the pure actinides. Thank you very much.